I'm calling it executive suite. That's the markers I see on my side of the airplane. On your side of the airplane, you see an attractive young lady in a red bathing suit. And it's called My Buck. Well, the way this works, a gentleman who flew an airplane called My Buck in World War II wanted an airplane painted up like his old airplane. So he donated the paint job. When it comes back the other way, you'll see executive suite, which is the real name of this airplane.
That's correct. And you know, one of the important parts, and this is what
Pacific Theater of Operations.
know that in the black and white picture they're 20-something. This is what they were doing. And they volunteered.